Welcome back and let's solve another CTF today. This video is a part of picoCTF series for which I have made an entire sheet with a walkthrough link, the category, the challenge name as well as the difficulty so that it will be easier for you to track and complete the challenges. Now let's get back to the challenge. Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure
and keep hacking.
We have arrived at the last easy problem in forensic category. So today we are gonna solve Glory of the Garden. We can download the file from here. So let's see. We have the file here, garden.jpg, and as usual, we'll follow the checklist. So starting with it's JPEG data, then goes with string, filter out using pico, and yes, we got it. So this is one of the easy difficulty problems in forensic, and if you have followed through my previous videos you could see that the easy problem in forensic could be solved just by following the checklist. So you did not have to do any other research and anything at all. You just had to follow the checklist and you're good to go. So we'll paste the flag here and ta-da. In from next videos we'll be continuing with some of the medium problems. If you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again, see you in the next video.